Hi, this is Michelle, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my experience with H.E.B's Mi Tienda Pollo con Guajillo. It's diced chicken thighs with Guajillo chili flavors and other flavors. I don't usually buy this pre-seasoned stuff. I'm always leery about it, but it's H.E.B, so I had to give them the benefit of the doubt on that. I decided to do fajitas, so when I got home, I broke out the onions and every color of bell pepper we have in the house and diced them, sliced and diced, well, really sliced them up and sauteed them. And I have to give fair warning about that because we haven't gotten our new stove yet, and I had to use a portable burner. So I didn't get the nice brown on the onions and the bell peppers like I wanted to because the outlet was getting kind of warm. I didn't want to throw a breaker. But they were crisp tender, so they worked with the tacos, fajitas. Anyway, I did those and then pulled those out and opened up the Mi Tienda. And it's just coming right up here. There it is. It was a good amount, about a pound and 3/4 almost. And I opened it up and I was like, oh, what am I getting into here? So all I can say is definitely use a spoon when you take it out. If you try using gloves, it's probably going to stick to it like it's sticking to that piece there that's pulled open. And I took it out and fried it in batches. And again, it didn't get as brown as I wanted it to because the outlet. Put it all back in and put the peppers in and made the fajitas. And it was good. The only two complaints I have, it needs to be spicier and it has a lot of cumin. If they dialed that back a little bit, it would be perfect. But when you have to have the toppings on it, it kind of toned it down a little bit. So you might want to give that a try. If you're in Texas, say H.E.B, Mi Tienda line. So thanks for watching.